is in the jungle, jungle, jungle. When your life is in the jungle, jungle. They don't know what you've been through. When your life in the jungle, jungle, jungle. When your life is in the jungle, jungle. They don't know what you've been through.
They don't know what you've been through. Trying to do good, but you stuck in the hood. So you holding on that blick, cause you know it's no good. When you walk out that door, you ain't promised tomorrow. You know the day by day, man, your life can be borrowed. I say, damn, I'm just trying to get mine. I fought for 3 months, feeling like I was stuck, knowing who gave a fuck. But you know what, I call that shit life. Just made me learn a lesson, nigga, I'm paying that price. They say you gotta pay the cost to be the boss, you gotta take the loss. And nigga, now I know what that mean. I was sitting here chasing bitches, wasting this cream. Now I'm out here fucking trying to live up a dream. And when you living in the jungle, gotta make sure you don't fumble. And fucking make sure you stay on your game and stay on hustle. Why? Cause bitches, they gon' try to get involved and play with your money and fuck it all. Don't you try to spend your money just to impress a bitch. Now she sitting there trying to line you up. Gotta watch the niggas how you keep around. Cause they just vultures, they don't really give a fuck. They just watching on your pockets. Watching where the money go. Trying to see your plans, trying to see how they get it though. They the same ones you call your niggas in your videos. Now you see how they scope you out.
When your life is in the jungle, jungle, jungle. When your life is in the jungle, jungle. They don't know what you've been through. When your life in the jungle, jungle, jungle. When your life is in the jungle, jungle. They don't know what you've been through.
If a nigga talk a lot, you probably assume that he a snitch. If he ever told on me, he gon' end up in that ditch. If I ever was that type, I'd probably take his little bitch, have her naked at the crib, they even ask for a pic. Slide on him like a sandal. If I was blicked up, what would your mans do? I ain't cuffing none of these bitches, they probably ran through. Somewhere in the jungle, ain't nothing I couldn't handle. If he throwing dirt on my name, he getting canceled. I'm forever lit. What a Nike had, I will never stop, you still a bitch. What a Shakespeare mask, you ain't got no ops, I'm in this shit. I've been moving weight like I ain't got a job. Now you gotta smoke a nigga tryna take over your block. You not even from the ghetto, you not even on my level. You not even slinging work, now you dealing with the devil. This is grown man shit, you can't even reach the pedal. Do a couple drills then act like we ain't do nothing in that rental. Glock on my hip is really how the streets taught me. When a nigga asked for money is when a nigga lost me. Gotta make sure my daughter's straight before they chalk me. Cause I was in the field strapped up like a car seat. They be watching on your pockets, watching where your money go. The P is on my head, you already know that I'm from Philly though. They be the same ones you call your niggas in your video. They just try to scope you out.
Your life is